Welcome to WCrypto.
Hello, my friends. Welcome back to WCrypto. Yesterday, I said my long wave strategy went long at 92,200. It closed today, 28 hours later, at 94,700, a 2.55% spot gain. Yesterday, I also said the following. In my view, 95,000 is coming sooner than most expect. But of course, do your own research. And what happened? Bitcoin broke that level and peaked at 95,700. Right now, we're now bouncing off the 21 EMA and holding above 95,000. The 3-day liquidation heat map shows Bitcoin chopped right into short liquidations around 95,000. In total, $275 million got liquidated, $173 million from shorts. I'd like a deeper retest, but the hottest zone on the heat map sits at 97,000, just above current price. Who's still shorting? The bear market narrative ended when we broke the weekly downtrend. Below us, long liquidations sit around 91.5 and 90.2. A dip is possible, but seems unlikely after bulls push through 90, 92, 93, and now 95. Next targets 96, 97, and 100,000, where real FOMO starts. ETF inflows for the 24th hit $442 million. BlackRock led with $327 million. ARK added $97 million. That followed Tuesday and Wednesday's massive inflows of $936 million and $917 million. Today, Friday the 25th, inflows are already at $139.9 million. And BlackRock's data is still missing. Expect another big number from them today. And Semler Scientific is now following Michael Saylor. They bought 111 Bitcoins for $10 million. Now holding 3,303 Bitcoin with a year-to-date yield of 23.5%. And to quote him, just getting started. Big players are stacking. Are you doing the same? I will continue updating you daily. Join the free Discord for real-time trading thoughts. Click the like button if you got value from this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to stay updated. And see you in the next one.